Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Blosfield. I'm the Deputy Editor for Carrier Management, and I'm here at RISKWORLD in Philadelphia.
We've been able to see, really interestingly, that the reinsurance and specialty market, which is high value risks but low volume amount of risk per year, really adopt a digital kind of engagement very quickly. So we've got an ACORD community called RISKWORLD, which has been established for about 18 years now, and they're now exchanging digital submissions, digital invoices, digital claims between the brokers and the reinsurers and the cedants in between. And that's got a monstrous amount of electronic data exchange in that space, which has been very impressive. So that space really good, but now what we're seeing is we're now doubling down into the North American P&C market, so homeowners, auto insurance, mid-market commercial, BOP policies or workers' comp policies, and looking at that space and going, the standards are here, the data exchange technology is here, we've proven it in reinsurance specialty. How do we now pivot this market to be able to adopt the same benefits of that automated data exchange experience as we've already proven in reinsurance and specialty? And in part of that kind of engagement, we're bringing brokers, agents, carriers together to go, what data flows should we prioritize? What systems need to be integrated? And that, your second part of that question was, what are some of the barriers and the challenges associated with that space and what's holding back? It's historically always been cultural change. And it's that kind of, okay, this sounds great, Mark, I understand digital's better than analog, but what does this mean for my team? What does this mean for my processes that I've been doing for the last 25 years? Does that mean I don't need 30 people behind me anymore? You know, what about the new entrants coming into the market? And these are great questions, really good questions. So it's helping people not be threatened by technical innovation, but see it as an opportunity to do more and enrich more and actually stop and think about a risk. Someone said to me the other day, well, mightn't this technology make me assess whether or not we may not actually underwrite that risk next year? And I'm like, yeah, absolutely. You may look at this risk now and go, now I'm not focused on rekeying the information, I'm focusing on reviewing the information. I can go, maybe we shouldn't underwrite that, or maybe we should put an extra clause in, or we should protect ourselves with more, whatever it might be, that's appropriate for that particular risk. So it allows people to think, not manually focus on the rekeying activity. So yeah, that's cultural change is the biggest holdback, I'd say.
Watch the InsurTech Summit 2026 on demand now. We've got a full lineup of industry experts bringing you the latest trends, bold ideas, and game-changing innovation in insurance. This year's theme is all about the customer experience advantage. Hosted by Carrier Management Deputy Editor Elizabeth Blosfield. Watch the summit on demand at the insurtechsummit.com. The Risky Future Virtual Summit, a risk management event. Don't miss out. Scan the QR code or visit riskyfuture.com to sign up or apply to be a speaker for our Risky Future Summit 2026 before seats fill up.